How to become Clinical SAS Programmer. Becoming a Clinical SAS Programmer requires a combination of education, technical skills, and experience in the field of clinical research. Here are the typical steps to become a Clinical SAS Programmer. 1. Earn a bachelor's degree. A bachelor's degree in a field such as statistics, computer science, or biology is typically required to become a Clinical SAS Programmer. Some employers may prefer candidates with advanced degrees, such as a master's or PhD. 2. Gain experience in clinical research. Prior experience working in a clinical research environment, such as a research assistant or data analyst, can be beneficial in developing the necessary skills for a career as a Clinical SAS Programmer. 3. Learn SAS Programming. SAS Programming is a critical skill for Clinical SAS Programmers. Training in SAS Programming can be obtained through online courses, training programs, or through self-study. 4. Gain experience using SAS software. In addition to learning SAS programming, it is important to gain experience using SAS software in a clinical research setting. This can be done through internships, volunteer work, or entry-level positions in the field. 5. Obtain industry certifications. Industry certifications such as the SAS Certified Clinical Trials Programmer can demonstrate a high level of proficiency and expertise in Clinical SAS Programming. 6. Stay up to date with industry trends. As with any field, it is essential to stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices in clinical research and SAS programming. By following these steps, you can begin to build the foundation for a successful career as a Clinical SAS Programmer. If you're looking to take training in SAS, please visit www.greetonlinetraining.com, enroll for free live demo. Or call us at +91 99669567770 for more details.